If you use Todoist every day, this is a super helpful trick that can save you a lot of time and keep your task list cleaner. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete a recurring task forever in Todoist, step by step. This is useful when a recurring task is no longer needed and you do not want it coming back again and again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Todoist tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to your inbox. The inbox is usually the easiest place to find your active tasks, including recurring ones. Once you're inside the inbox, locate the recurring task that you want to remove permanently. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct task, especially if you have similar repeating tasks on your list. Next to that task, click the three dots icon. This opens the task menu, where Todoist gives you several options for managing the task. From that menu, hover over Complete Recurring Task. When you hover over it, Todoist will show the full options related to that recurring task. Now select Complete Forever. This is the key step. Choosing this option tells Todoist that you want to finish the task permanently, so it will not repeat again in the future. Once you click it, the recurring task will be completed and removed from your active workflow, and that's it. You've successfully completed a recurring task forever in Todoist. It's a very simple process, but it's a great one to know if you want to clean up your task manager and stop unnecessary repeats. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Todoist tutorial you want to see next.